Hi there, in this tutorial I am going to present you another amazing web AI application that I have built using this n8n workflow. Let me show you. And then this is built on top of this is a RAG AI agent which is built on top of Pinecone vector store, and then we have HTTP request. We are using Firecrawl API key for scraping as well, and for chat we are using Anthropic Claude model, and because due to its amazing reasoning we are just using Claude 4. Further I will explain you a bit more in detail, and now this is connected with web using this webhook URL, this production URL, and this is connected with this our web application. And if I just show you how it is working, so it has basically two options, not just chat. It has also an option of uploading documents. Okay, you can also upload documents into your Pinecone directly as well. So how it is going to work, let me give you a demo. And it has information about this Gliss AI RAG agent, and like it has these information, these questions, and we can ask the information about let's ask what is Gliss AI, because we basically injected this document. And let me show you how basically you can inject a document into this. You will just need to click on it, and then you will just need to select document that you want to ingest. I am going to select the same document and I am going to upload. So once we will click on upload it, there is another data pipeline for indexing. It will be triggered using webhook. You can see just a success at few milliseconds ago, and we can see that it has successfully chunked and stored the data into a Pinecone. Let me just show you that it has successfully stored the data. You can see, so it has successfully stored the data into Pinecone. This is all the information that has been chunked and stored in Pinecone. So this is also connected with webhook, and let me give you overview of this as well. First let me give you a demo and how it is going to work, and then I will show. Let's suppose ask a question about it. What is the Gliss AI RAG agent? And we can see the execution here. So basically there are two workflows. One workflow is for data indexing, which is directly connected with the Pinecone vector database, which is this one. And second workflow is for getting information, retrieving information from Pinecone that we have just created. So both are connected with webhook, and both webhook URLs are connected with this minimal UI. So you can see it is responding. It is like right now raw data, but it will format it once a response will be completed. So you can see Gliss AI is a retrieval augmented generation, combines the power of language like ChatGPT, but we are using Claude for document has misinformation. Before we were using ChatGPT, but now we are using Claude for internal documents in generate, and key features, no hallucination, and smart operational assistant, everything this document contains. Okay, so you can see why it mentioned ChatGPT. And yeah, so this is something personal assistant. You can use it for your personal use case. You can upload many documents as many as you want. It has also some predefined suggest actions, and you can just click on these and get the response. Okay, so how we have basically built this UI, we have built this UI using Lovable, and we have just done prompting and build this amazing UI, which also has an access point. You will need to enter your password to access this. Okay, and you can even add your logos and everything. It is a minimal, and so we have just kept it simple. And we can just say thanks, and it will be executed. So let me show you the execution, how it basically retrieved this information. So first of all, our AI agent basically send this query to Claude model, and then Claude model send this query to memory to save the session. And then there was no any it analyzed there is no any need for scraping, so it just escaped this scraping node, and then it went to the Pinecone and it retrieved the information from there based on the similarity set. There are two types of similarity. One is cosine similarity, second one is equivalent. Yeah, I just forgot the name. but there is another similarity search, and it just performs similarity search and send response back to the webhook, respond to webhook, and then respond to webhook just show this information here. So this is something how it is going to work. It is for personal use case. You can use it for your team, you can use it for your personal use case. You can just upload all the documents. We have a data pipeline as well, another data pipeline for uploading the documents. Let me show you. If I come over here, and yeah, we have this array data pipeline. So how we basically index the index data before. We have this data pipeline. We just saved our data into Google Drive and just triggered it, and it basically first there is a switch to see what type of data, what type of document is. If it is PDF, then it will use PDF extractor. If it is Excel, if it is CSV, if it is text, it will use that extractor respectively, and then it will just ingest that data into your Pinecone. And we have this Pinecone database we have just created. You can see the records. There are 45 records, and these all information are there. Okay, so we are doing everything automatically, and it is just working in an amazing way. So yeah, this is something. And if you want this workflow, so I will keep this workflow with these JSON files and with this UI, if with this UI code as well. On my Skool community, you can see I have my Skool community, and I will put everything here with this video link. You will be able to download, and you will be able to use it for your use case. But if you need any assistant, consultants, you can reach me out and on this community, and you can leave a message, and it is just $20 per month. You can just easily join this community, n8n AI Skool. And further, yeah, will be available for any assistance if you need. And yep, this is for your, you can use it for your personal use case. So we'd love to hear a feedback from your side, any additional feature we'd love to add. And yeah, thank you.